Hello guys, this side Swati, and today I'm going to show you my recent purchase from Nykaa Pink Sale, and this is going to be my first long YouTube video. I have posted some shorts, but I need you guys support. And today I'm going to show you lot of things from Nykaa which I got. I can't show you all in my hand, so I just want to switch my camera and show you these things which I want to show you. And we will start with first my hair tools which I got from the sale. Okay, the first one is this curler, this iconic curler. I really want to try this curler because my hair is naturally straight और मुझे अपने straight hairs पसंद नहीं है. I want to curl my hair, so I got my hand on these. And the second thing which I got is hair dryer. और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा हेयर ड्रायर की ज़रूरत थी क्योंकि मेरा हेयर ड्रायर ख़राब हो चुका था. I got is this Ellen dryer. I love this brand, and I got a hair blow dryer from this brand also. This is from also Ellen, and I have seen the reviews of so many creators of this hair blow dryer, so I want to give it a try. So I get these three hair tools. Let's switch to the cosmetic things or skincare. The first come first. My favorite mascara. This is my second purchase. This is Too Faced mascara. I love this mascara. This is better than sex mascara. I love this mascara. I know it sounds weird, but it's good. Then it's Huda Beauty ka baking powder. It's face powder basically. And then I want to give it a try of Charlotte Tilbury airbrush. I really want to try. I don't know कितने time से मुझे ये चाहिए था. So I get these for myself, and I got these two lipsticks from Nykaa for free in a shade Trusty. I love this shade Trusty. I have tried this shade once in a while. I don't remember, but yeah, this is my favorite, one of my favorite shades. And the second thing from the lipstick is like Maybelline in a shade 70 Moody. This is also, if you are the girl who have medium skin tone, you are going to love this. This is glossy plus matte. And then we have this Laneige sleeping mask. Girls, if you have a dry skin, patchy skin, try this. Okay, this is my fourth or fifth purchase. I really love this. This makes me feel like we are glowing from inside, so you should try this. Then we have Huda Beauty concealer. I love this concealer because this don't give any crease line or anything under your eyes. And then Laneige lip balm. I can't tell you मैं कितनी बड़ी fan हूँ Laneige के lip mask के lip balm के. They are wonderful. They just, if you have not tried, you need to try. And then this Laneige sleeping mask, one I am using right now, but वो खत्म होने वाला है, तो उसके पहले ही मैंने इसको restock कर लिया because ये Nykaa पे sale पे था, and I get bit cheaper than a regular price, so it's a good deal for me. Then switch to a body care range. I got this Dove body wash that big because it smells like so good. I don't think it have any flavor or something. It's just a body moisturizer. It's give the nourish body. I love this. And this is my most favorite body wash, which I really repurchase every time, no matter what body wash I am using. That is Body Wash Salicylic Acid body wash, 1%. And see, you can see how big bottle I have bought this time. Then we have Bare Tommy shampoo in a, I guess we have in a two shades. Yes, the one is the color because I have colored hair, so I got for the color protecting and ultra soothing. I will switch and use that. Then we have Plum body wash because my sister love, she got this. Then I got this Toly Moly hydrating toner. I love this toner. I have already finished one bottle, as you can see. It's so good. I really love this, so I restocked this. Moving forward, we have one holding spray, hair fixing spray, because as I mentioned early, मेरे बाल बहुत straight हैं और they really need to fix, इसलिए मैंने एक setting spray मंगाया है. After that, moving forward, what we have, yes. Then this time I really wanna try this. One second. Yes, this is also a lip mask from Laneige only, but I want to try this flavor. I have this berry, this not berry, this is grapes, I guess. This lip balm. This lip balm, I don't know where it is, but yeah, I want to try that lip mask also. So I give my hand on these. And this is Smashbox Hello Tint. This is my second time purchasing it. Last time I purchased from the Sephora. I tried and get it, but this time I got it on a good discount. I guess 20 or 10% discount. I don't remember. So I get these. This is my second purchase. I love this. This is so lightweight. It give you like skin like glow and not coverage, I would say, but yeah, it will give you a glow that you want in your skin. If you are a minimal girl, you don't like foundation, you should go for this. And then I get this section clips for myself, because when you are doing your hair or curling or anything like that, you need these in your wardrobe. Then comes the hyaluronic. Who don't love the ordinary hyaluronic acid? I love this serum. This give me a so hydrating skin. So that's why I get it in the bigger size, as you can see, than a regular size. I love this serum. That's why you should also try this. Then we have this Maybelline OG concealer. I can't tell you how good it is. I don't like the packaging, otherwise I love this. And then moving forward, I have lots and lots of blushes, tints, everything, but I can't stop investing in a tints and blushes because I love them. So this time I got it from the water tint from the Addude. I don't know, Addude or something, but it's so cute. I want to try this. I have seen so many reels and so many reviews of this, so yeah. Then we have this Chemist Pleka underarm roller. I get two, one for me and one for my sister. One is here, okay. One for me and one for my sister. And then Laneige gave me this cute backpack free. Thank you. Then we have the ordinary niacinamide. This is also I get in a bigger size, because these two serum are the which I love and use most. So I get these two in a bigger size. And we have the Vaseline moisturizer. I love this as a hand cream or a hand lotion. I love to use that, or it smells so good and even hydrate my skin so good. That's why. And this Aqualogy, I don't haven't used. I know it's a very different opinion, but मैंने अभी तक Aqualogy का कोई भी sunscreen नहीं use किया होगा. It's my first time using Aqualogy का sunscreen, so I don't know how it is, but मैंने बहुत अच्छे reviews देखे हैं इसके. I hope it's good. Then I have the Bare Tommy का hair mask, color protection में ही, because I have colored hair. And I have the same in a different shade. I like the color, then I like, ठीक है, दोनों पेयर में थे तो मैंने दोनों ही ले लिया. And then my OG Micellar water. It's so good. ये इतना affordable है और बहुत अच्छा है. It's if you have a lazy day, you don't want to oil cleanse your face or double cleanse your face, you can just wipe with this and just do your face wash and your skincare and you are done. After that, I have purchased this Mars का lip liner. I have Swiss Beauty 12 lip liner shades, but मैंने कुछ तो इधर उधर गुम कर दिए और कुछ तो गुम हो गए, कुछ हो गए इधर उधर. I don't know what happened to them. So I have seen the good reviews of these, so I got these in a different shades. A pack of 10. This is. And for a regular use, this is also a Maybelline mascara. After, as Too Faced mascara is very costly, I use only for a good occasion or I want to feel special. Then only. Otherwise, I use for a regular basis. I this Maybelline. This is cost friendly and pocket friendly, and also you can give you a lashes like a fake lashes you are wearing. And then I have my favorite lipstick, that is L'Oreal in a shade 150 Lazy Sunday. Yeah, it's Lazy Sunday. I love this lip color because I am medium to fair skin, so I love this color on my lips. And moving forward, yes, I have these facial razor. Yes, I face, so I have this facial razor. And my favorite L'Oreal hair serum. I remember ये कितना viral हुआ था, but that time I don't use, but later I used that in a smaller version, but that time I got it in a bigger bottle because ये मेरे बालों को फ्रिज फ्री रखता है और बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत नरिशिंग भी रहता है, और ये मुझे ये वाला बहुत पसंद है. Moving forward, I have ordinary glycolic acid 7%. मैंने इसका बड़ा वाला बॉटल पहले परचेज किया था, बट वो फिनिश होता नहीं है और एक्सपायर हो जाता है. आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट ऑर्डिनरी ने इसका छोटा वाला वर्जन निकाला है. आई एम सो ग्लैड बिकॉज आप उतना यूज भी नहीं कर पाते हो और वो एक्सपायर हो जाता है. दैट इज वेस्टेज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. So if you have dark underarms, elbows, or if you have a mouth pigmentation, you can use on that and it will really help you. And it's really helped me, but I discontinue. I don't know why, but now I will continue. Now I have some comb, one for styling and one for brushing, just brushing my, I don't know from where it is, but yeah, it is. Then it's ordinary salicylic serum. I don't use that much salicylic, but my sister does, so I got this for her. Then we have Face Canada eyebrow pencil. I love to do my eyebrows. I really love to do my eyebrows, okay, because it's make me feel like, oh, from here to here. It's really, if you don't do your eyebrows, start doing it, you will see the difference in your makeup, in your if you're not even doing a makeup, you just do your skincare, put some lip balm or lip gloss and do your eyebrows, you will look fine. Let's see what I have more. Okay, I have more things to show you guys. Okay, I got lots and lots of sheet mask from Toli Moly and other brands also. Then I have this Huda Beauty lipstick in a shade Drama Mama. Yeah, it's a Drama Mama. Yeah, as you can see, it's in a shade Drama Mama. I get this from the Nykaa store, okay, not from app. Us time sale nahi chal rahi thi. I'm so sad. Then I get these Foxtail hydrating moisturizer, and I also get one, but I'm using right now. Simply moisturizer. Yes, this have a different story. I thought Dot & Key hydrating moisturizer it is, and I buy the hyaluronic acid serum. I have not used this hyaluronic serum yet, but I'm not a fan of Dot & Key serums, but I don't know how it will goes with my skin. So I will give it a try, and if you want, I will give you the review. Yes, that's all I guess I have to show you guys. Yeah, it's done. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please show some support to me. And if you want to know my intro, because I don't have any intro video or anything like that, if you want to know, please let me know. I will create a short intro video of mine. If you are interested, then only. Otherwise, okay, bye, see you guys.